2018 Kenworth 880, T880, sorry. We got transmission issues. We're trying to find the 80-pin harness and the TCM in order to ohm test and find out if we got a broken wire before we get into the transmission. But where's the fucking TCM? Well, it is not here. It's not here, and it's
not in the dark.
It's not there. 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 It's not under the truck.
It's not here.
It's not there. We already opened this fucking thing up, and we found both of these little ABS computers and whatever the fuck else is there. But little did we know, the bitch is right there. So we found it under the cup holder. Easy as fuck to get to. Just didn't know to go there. And you can't see it. I just got lucky enough to be standing outside the fucking truck, and it was just tall enough from the driver's side. They got out a little glance of the heat sink fins and shit on there shining at me. So there you go. Maybe you won't have to rip the whole thing apart, and then now maybe we get lucky. But we still don't know what the fuck we're doing, so we probably won't get lucky, will we? Alright, after ripping everything apart, if I had eyeballs, I could have seen this from the very get-go. That motherfucker is broke right there, and I did not see that. Alright, that little wire up from, you fucking see it. So anyhow, I've already pulled the back of the thing off the front. We're going to try to pull this out, pull this pin out, crimp a new one on and slide it back in the ass end, then we don't have to run an overlay or anything like that. What's the little squirrel up there say?
Yes.
Yes. Alright, I got lucky and found this on the internet. I've found it a couple times in the past. This is the little wiring harness diagram from the 80-pin connector at the TCM to the transmission itself, the 20-pin connector at the transmission itself. It's been the issue of all of our issues with transmissions on these Allisons is like 99% electrical shit. Here's your codes. Good luck figuring it out. Not codes, sorry, abbreviations that you're gonna see in here. Here's your 80-pin connector at the TCM. Well, I don't know, fam, with my dirty fucking hands. Let me get you cleaned up. But here is where they're at and where they go to, alright? Pin number, where it connects to. This is the 80-pin side, which is a little bit more difficult. I'll get you over to the 20-pin side in a second. But I'm going to go through all these. So you're going to have to pause your computer and hope that my phone zoomed in enough for you to be able to see. But it'll tell you pin number on this, where it heads to, what it does, what all harnesses it goes through. I didn't bother with most of this other than our specific issue was the you don't give a shit. Nobody gives a shit. I forget what the hell we even had. Pressure control solenoid, PCS. Listed on here as PCS somewhere. We'll find it on the back page, but there you go. Sorry, probably should have done a better job of this. One more page from that big 80-pin terminal side. Alright, and here's the good stuff. We went backwards. We started at the 20-pin connector and went through all 20 pins, which really there was only, I think, 18 or 19 being used. Right there's the one that was our issue, PCS1 low, but we knew we ohm tested from the TCM over here to this pin, and it tells you right there. Check that out. So pin number 5 on this harness is number 52. I believe that's right, if I'm looking at this screen right. I might be down a spot because I'm trying to record. But there's the way the harness is. Pay attention to that nub so you know which number you're at. Nub side up, 1 starts on the top right goes across, back, so right to left, all the way down. But that way we could just cross-reference pin to pin with the help of mechanic Mike. In a matter of a half, we had her ohm tested.